America operates the most powerful aircraft carriers on Earth. These floating air bases can launch dozens of fighter jets anywhere in the world. But behind their unmatched firepower lies a growing problem that could affect the U.S. Navy's ability to respond to the next major conflict. The real crisis isn't how many carriers America owns, it's how many are actually ready to fight. The United States has 11 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, the largest carrier fleet in the world. But at any given moment, only a fraction are deployed or immediately available. Many spend years undergoing scheduled maintenance, refueling, modernization, or repairs. When those maintenance periods run longer than expected, the Navy suddenly has fewer carriers available to respond to global crises. That means every delay has consequences across the entire fleet. Maintaining a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier is one of the most complex engineering tasks in the world. Shipyards face workforce shortages, aging infrastructure, supply chain bottlenecks, and increasing modernization demands. Some maintenance periods have stretched months or even years beyond their original schedules. At the same time, the Navy is introducing the new Ford-class carriers, which bring advanced technology but have also experienced development and integration challenges. The result? Operational pressure on the rest of the carrier fleet continues to grow. This comes at a critical time. China now operates the world's largest navy by number of ships and continues expanding its carrier force and long-range anti-ship missile capabilities. If multiple global crises occurred at once, the United States would need enough carriers ready to deploy immediately. That's why Navy leaders continue pushing for improvements in shipyard efficiency, maintenance planning, and industrial capacity. America's aircraft carriers remain the most capable naval platforms ever built. But naval power isn't measured only by technology. It's measured by readiness. Because in a crisis, the carrier that matters most is the one that's ready to sail. If you enjoy fact-based military aviation and defense analysis, subscribe to Strike Vector for more videos every week.